This time we are working on the question, sketch the graph of the following functions. A y equals x plus 1 square, b y equals square root of x minus 1. Actually, I solved similar question before this question. So if you have no idea about what's going on in this question, please check out my previous video first. I put it in the description of this video. So let's get started. So with number A, y equals x plus 1 square, it looks a bit complicated to draw the graph. So what I would do is to find the graph of y equals x square first. It's gonna be base of the graph of x plus 1 square. And this is pretty basic graph, so if you are not sure about how to sketch the graph, I want you to remember this time. It's gonna be pretty important later as well. So let's draw the graph of y equals x square as 0.24. The graph is gonna be like this. Then let me find the graph of y equals x plus 1 square as well. So first, simply you can find a point in xy coordinates. When you plug in 0 into x, here it's gonna be 0, y is gonna be 1. If you plug in negative 1, y is gonna be 0. If you plug in negative 2, y is gonna be here. If you plug in negative 3, y is gonna be here and here. Like this. You know what happened? What happened compared with y equals x square and y equals x plus 1 square? It just shift left 1 from the graph of y equals x square. So what I wanted to say and why I found y equals x square graph is, if you can write the graph of y equals x square, you can just shift the graph, then you can draw the graph of y equals x plus 1 square. But this time you have to be careful. If this number is positive, the graph shifts left. If it's negative, graph shifts right. You got it? It might be a bit complicated, so let me give you another example. Y equals square root of x minus 1. So what should I write for the base of the graph of this one? Yes, it's gonna be y equals square root of x. And square root of x is like 1, 2. No, wait. You plug in 4. Yes. This is the graph of y equals square root of x. Then what's gonna happen if you sketch the graph of y equals square root of x minus 3? If you plug in 3, y is gonna be 0. And inside of square root, it cannot be negative. So if you plug in 2, for example, it's gonna be square root of negative 1. It doesn't exist. So x is gonna be bigger than 3. And if you plug in 7, it's gonna be square root of 4. So the graph is like this. So what happened? The graph shift right 3. And like I said before, if the number is negative here, the graph shift right. If it's positive, graph shift left. This is called horizontal translation. It's gonna be so important later on. That's it.